leaving the Airbnb out way out into the desert. It was a great experience, actually. I'm looking around right now at all the rocks and formations. It's way out of the way, you know, probably 30 minutes out of town. So it was an experience. The next few nights I'm gonna be in town, so I'll probably focus my videos toward being in town. I've already been to a brewery. I'll probably hit up a few more restaurants. This morning I'm going to go to Grandstaff Canyon and walk it. It'll probably be a 4-hour trail, so it's in and out or in and back. So there will probably be, it'll take up a good chunk of my day. After that, I'll probably head back into town and get a bite to eat. I may go to the brewery again. But yeah, guys, that's the plan today. I'm going to do a little longer hike, get back into town, and get ready for my check-in. Alright guys, we made it. We are officially on the trail. It says Morning Glory Bridge is 2 1/4 miles. Guys, we got about an hour left in this hike. As you can see, everything is still frozen in the bottom of this canyon. The sun hasn't hit it yet. It's very beautiful, but it's also a little chilly. I'm trying not to get my feet wet. I've gotten very close to going over my boots and crossing the stream. You have to cross the stream multiple times, but I managed not to get my feet wet. It'd be pretty rough if I got them wet in this cold weather like this. So, update you again when I get there to the end of the trail. The end of it. I was just walked down a little bit further to see the spring here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's water coming out of that right there. And it is. Here's the arch. Alright, so we're gonna head back. I'm gonna try to get a video of this with my drone, and I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, we're back. We've made it into town, and I told you guys I was going to cheat, so you see what's happening right now. Although it is it's a nice room. I got it on Airbnb for a discount. I think during the winter time they mark the prices way down, so I think tomorrow we're going to go to, I don't know, maybe Dead Horse State Park, or Goblin Valley. I don't know. I'll update you guys whenever I decide that, but it'll probably be in the morning. But one of the two will go and take video. I know for a fact it's allowed because I just have to pay $10 for the permit and fill out the form. That's it. I'm just gonna chill tonight, guys. I hiked 4 hours today. Frozen Canyon Bottom, Grandstaff Canyon Trail. Took pictures of that. I have video of all that. I'm just gonna recoup tonight. Tomorrow we'll get back on it. See you guys then.